8443. Where is the record of compliance with airworthiness directives or manufacturer's service bulletins normally indicated? A. FAA Form 337. B. Aircraft maintenance records. C. Flight manual. The correct answer is B. The record of compliance with airworthiness directives or manufacturer's service bulletins is normally indicated in the aircraft maintenance records. 8444. If work performed on an aircraft has been done satisfactorily, the signature of an authorized person on the maintenance records for maintenance or alterations performed constitutes A. Approval of the aircraft for return to service. B. Approval for return to service only for the work performed. C. Only verification that the maintenance or alterations were performed referencing maintenance data. The correct answer is C. Verification that the maintenance or alterations were performed referencing approved maintenance data. When an authorized person signs the maintenance records, it indicates that they have verified that the maintenance or alterations were carried out in accordance with approved maintenance data. This includes following the appropriate procedures, using approved methods, and complying with applicable regulations and guidelines. 8445. During an annual inspection, if a defect is found which makes the aircraft unairworthy, the person disapproving must A. Void the aircraft's airworthiness certificate. B. Submit a malfunction or defect report. C. Provide a written notice of the defect to the owner. The correct answer is C. During an annual inspection, if a defect is found which makes the aircraft unairworthy, the person disapproving must provide a written notice of the defect to the owner. This is required to ensure that the owner is aware of the issue and can take appropriate action to address it. Additionally, the aircraft's airworthiness certificate may be voided until the necessary repairs are made and the aircraft is deemed airworthy again. However, submitting a malfunction or defect report may also be required depending on the specific circumstances. 8446. What is the means by which the FAA notified aircraft owners and other interested persons of unsafe conditions and prescribes the condition under which the product may continue to be operated? A. Airworthiness directives. B. Aviation maintenance alerts. C. Aviation safety data. The correct answer is A. Airworthiness directives. Airworthiness directives are the means by which the FAA notifies aircraft owners and other interested persons of unsafe conditions and prescribes the condition under which the product may continue to be operated. 8447. Which is an appliance major repair? A. Overhaul of a hydraulic pressure pump is a major repair. B. Repairs to a propeller governor or its control. C. Troubleshooting and repairing broken circuits in landing light circuits. The correct answer is A. This process involves disassembling the pump, inspecting all parts for wear and damage, replacing any necessary parts, and reassembling the pump. It requires technical expertise and specialized tools, so it's not something that can be done by just anyone. However, all three options require different levels of expertise and attention to detail, so it really depends on the specific situation and the skill level of the person performing the repair.